Okay, entonces, hola, language explorers. Bienvenido a otra clase. Moving house. Moving house. So, moving house. Mudarse de casa. Mudarse de casa. So, going from one house to another. Very good. Oops, let's move that. Mudarse un casa. Muy bien. So, furnished. Yeah, con nubles. Nubles? Furniture. With furniture. Sofa, cama, e más. Escritores, e más. Estanterías, e más. Furnished. Or plazas de parking. Okay. Amobladas. Okay, amobladas. Sin amoblar. Amueblar. So unfurnished. Unfurnished. So furnished with things like mesas, alfombra, television, sofa, and unfurnished. Sin esos casas, esos cosas. An open plan sin paredes. Sin paredes. Sin amublar. Muy bien. Yeah. And parking spaces. Estacionamiento. De verdad. Diáfana or espacios para estacionamiento. Estacionando. Parking. So parking spaces. Muy bien. Storage. Storage. Almacenaje. Almacenaje. Poner tus cosas en un dormitorio, en un espacio para tiempo. Now, a estate agent. Yes. Let's have a look. Estate. Not quite. Yeah. So, someone that helps you buy and sell property. Agente inmobiliario. Inmobiliario. Muy bien. Removal van. So let's get a picture of a van. Van. Perfect. Here we are. Perfect. There's a van for you. A van. Removal. So, furgoneta de mudanza. Mudanza. Yeah, mudanza. Muy bien. So, removal. Yeah, moving things from one place to another. Entonces, boxes, cajas, or caja, box. Box, perfect, let's have that. Box, very good. Caja. And llaves, keys. Keys, llaves. Perfect, look at that. Llave. How cool is that? Yeah. And rent, alquilar. And bills, facturas. And tenancy, contracto de arrendamiento. So tenancy agreement. Let's get a document. Here we are. Let's grab that. Anything? Grab that. And let's have document. Here we are. Tenancy agreement. Yeah, agreement. De acuerdo, agreement. And we have landlord. So arrendador. Yeah, the person, la gente que tú pagas el cualquier, al. So landlord, you pay the rent. You pay the rent to the landlord. Very good. As a tenant. Inquilino. The tenant. The tenant lives in the house. The tenant tenant rents the property from the landlord. Ver a una casa, to view a house. Packar, to pack. Desempacar, to unpack. Mudarse, to move in. Move in. A mudarse, to move out. To salir. Salir la casa, de verdad. Salir la casa, to leave the house. And to move in, to entrar la casa, to enter the house. Yes, very good. Very good, yeah. So, moving house. Moving house. Furnished, con nubles, nublado, furniture, sofa, escritorio, televisión, alfombra, cama, y más. On unfurnished, sin, or furniture. Let's have a look. Furniture, muebles. You pensaba que sí. Sin muebles, without furniture. Open plan, sin paredes. Parking spaces, para los carros y coches. Storage, estate agent, removal van, boxes or caja, boxes, key and keys, rent, bills, tenancy agreement, landlord, tenant, view a house, ver una casa, pack, empacar, desempacar, to move in, entrar la casa, to move out, salir la casa. Very good. So, entonces, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram, y también puedes encontrarme en Udemy, porque tengo más clases de inglés ahí también. Pero, ahora mismo, vamos a continuar explorando.